Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for anatomy and physiology. The most effective method is active recall, which means consistently testing yourself. Instead of passively rereading notes, actively retrieve information from your memory. For example, use flashcards for terms or create practice questions for processes. This method significantly strengthens your long-term retention, making your study time much more productive and efficient. Next, incorporate spaced repetition into your routine. This means revisiting topics at gradually longer intervals like 1 day, then 3 days, then a week. Beyond memorization, strive for deep conceptual understanding. Ask yourself why a process occurs, not just what it is. Connecting new information to what you already know, perhaps from anatomy and physiology 1, builds a robust mental framework for complex systems. Visual learning is incredibly powerful for anatomy and physiology. Use anatomical models, detailed diagrams, and educational videos to see structures and processes in 3 dimensions. Try drawing out complex pathways, like the cardiac cycle or nerve impulses, to solidify your understanding. Furthermore, apply your knowledge to practical scenarios. Consider how a specific condition might affect a body system. This makes the material much more tangible. Finally, consistency is absolutely key. Aim for at least 1 to 2 hours of focused study every single day, rather than cramming. Regularly work through practice problems and past exam questions to pinpoint areas needing more attention. Consider forming a study group with 3 or 4 peers. Explaining concepts to others is a fantastic way to reinforce your own learning and identify any gaps in your knowledge. Stay persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.